So now the first step to do is to create a Facebook page. Now click on your profile. On the newsfeed, you will see your profile name, you will see friend list, you will see pages, you will see group, you will see feed, you will see market space. If you click on see more, you will see your art center, you will see art manager, you will see climate science center. So where you want to go is just you want to click on pages. So if you click on pages, it will give you the option to create a page. Now these are the existing pages that I've created, so all I just want to do is just create new page. Now if that is said and done, you're just gonna add a name here for your page. Let's say you want to create a page for a digital creation, you want to be a content creator. All you just want to do is just give it a name. Let's say Joe's Creator. After you have done this, all you just want to do is just add a category. You can click on education, digital, anything, just a requirement for you is like a tag, it's like a Facebook tag. Whenever people search for education, they get to see your page. So search for education. If it is an educational website, you put it there, educational consultant or stuff like that. So if it is digital creation, if it is digital creator, social media agency and stuff, you can just go ahead and add it. You can add a bit of bio to it. Let me look for something to add. Let's say you want to add this. I just copy this and I paste it right there. So after this is said and done, as you can see, it's reflecting on the page, and this is the interface of your page. All you just want to do is just to create the button create page. So if you do that, it's going to automatically create a page for you. So if you have done all this, you're just going to click on create page and it will create your page for you.